Buzzies, welcome to BuzzingOwl.
Buzzing out, flying high, learning every day, reaching the sky. Trees and leaves, the colors shine. Come explore nature, it's science time. Buzzing out, oh, can't you see? We learn and play, just wait and see.
Hey everyone, tonight we've got a fun one. We're gonna figure out, how do stars twinkle?
Yep, stars are huge balls of burning gas, right? They're super far away from us, and that's why they look so small.
Exactly. Stars shine because they're burning like a giant light bulb way up there. But why do they twinkle though?
Well, they twinkle because of the air around us. The Earth's atmosphere is full of moving air, and that messes with the light from the stars before it reaches our eyes.
Ah, I get it now. So the light gets all bouncy and wiggly, and that makes the stars look like they're sparkling and twinkling.
Yep, and if the air's really windy or there are a bunch of clouds, stars twinkle more. But when it's calm and clear, they twinkle less.
Whoa, so wind actually makes stars sparkle more? That's kind of cool. The stars are like little dancers in the sky.
Exactly. Now you know why stars twinkle. It's all about the air and the way light bends when it travels through the atmosphere.
Thanks for learning about twinkling stars with me. I hope you guys had fun watching the stars tonight. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you don't miss out on any of our cool adventures. See you next time.
Twinkle, twinkle, little star, up so high you shine from far, burning bright in the sky as the wind makes you wink and sigh. Twinkle, twinkle, little light, shining through the starry night, with the air that makes you sway, you dance and twinkle all the way. When the sky is calm and clear, stars shine bright, oh so near, but when the wind begins to blow, the twinkles sparkle even more. The twinkle, twinkle, little light, shining through the starry night, with the air that makes you sway, you dance and twinkle all the way. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, shining bright no matter how far. Now we know the secret, true stars twinkle just for me and you. You did great, you learned so much today. So many new things in your brain. Buzzing Out is proud of you. Learning's fun, and that's true too. Don't forget to like and subscribe now, so we can learn and play again somehow. Buzz, see you in the next Buzzworthy show.